So for today, ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano nga ba makita yung mga videos na sinearch mo using your Facebook profile account. So in order to do that, we just need to click here, the right side portion of your profile account, and then click your Facebook profile account. And then after that, kindly click these three dots here, and then click activity log. After that, if you want to see all the activities that you have done in your Facebook profile account, dito mo lang makikita sa activity log yun. So activity log is where you can view and manage your Facebook activities such as your posts, tags, comments, and even likes. And here you can move your posts from your profile to archive where only you can see them. Or you can also move them to trash where they will be automatically deleted after 30 days. Now, but our focus is on how to see the videos that you've searched. So just simply scroll to the right, and then here you will see the option video search. Click that, and then here you will see all the videos that you've searched. Okay, so here I searched Tan's accident today and Kwentong. I don't know what is this. So by the way, I didn't search many videos in my Facebook account. It's because when I do scrolling, it's automatically there are many videos that is playing on my Facebook page. So it is not necessary na for me to search any videos pa in my Facebook profile. That is why kung makita nyo, konti lang yung video search ko here. Okay. So also, if you want to delete them, you can click this and then click delete, and then automatically it will be moved to the trash. And then after 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. So that's it for today, and hope you like this video.